Hello everyone. I'm going to show you a super useful trick to get your old, broken soldering iron working perfectly again using just a regular charger. I'm going to grab my trusty soldering iron and plug it into the power strip to let it heat up. Once the soldering iron is hot, I'll take a piece of soldering wire and quickly test it on the tip of the soldering iron when it's ready. Next, I'll take a metal washer and some stripped electrical wire. I'm going to solder this wire to the washer, creating a clean electrical contact point. You'll see the soldering iron heat up, but the soldering wire doesn't melt, a sign that the soldering iron is rusting and therefore malfunctioning. Now, let's prepare our special cleaning solution. I'll pour some plain water into this glass. Take a look at this old soldering iron tip. It's heavily corroded and looks completely unusable. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. To make our solution conductive, I'm adding a few spoonfuls of common table salt and stirring it well until it dissolves. This salt water acts as an electrolyte, which is vital for the electrochemical cleaning process we're about to demonstrate. I'll take a piece of solder wire and carefully wrap it around a small drill bit to form a spring. Tight coiling is crucial here to ensure maximum contact. Next, I'll prepare a standard phone charger by carefully stripping its outer insulation to expose the positive and negative wires. I will connect one charging cable to the rusty tip of the soldering iron and the other cable to the soldering wire spring. With the charger plugged in, I'll immerse both the wrap tip and the bare wire into our saltwater solution. Notice the immediate bubbling? That's the electrochemical reaction vigorously cleaning the tip, breaking down the corrosion, and bringing it back to life. After a few minutes of electro-cleaning, I'll carefully remove the tip from the solution and wipe away any residue with a clean tissue. For a perfect finish, I'll gently sand the tip using fine grit sandpaper, which smooths out any remaining imperfections and prepares it for optimal use. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Now, for the real test, reattaching the clean tip to my soldering iron. You can see how pristine it looks. I'll touch the solder wire to the tip, and just like that, it melts perfectly. A truly remarkable transformation from its corroded state. It's incredible what a simple DIY method can achieve. I'll prepare the stripped electrical wire and solder it securely to this washer. The soldering iron was easily cleaned and melted the solder wire, but it didn't stick to the washer. To make them connect easily, I will create a flux. I'll get an old, used battery from my battery collection. Using pliers and a utility knife, I will carefully open this battery to extract the graphite rods inside. After removing the carbon rods, I will use pliers to peel off the outer metal casing of the battery. I will then use the pliers to cut the metal casing into this small jar. This process transforms what would otherwise be waste into a highly efficient conductive material, perfect for our project. And now for something you might not expect, using toilet cleaner to extract useful materials. I'm pouring some cleaner into a jar. The cleaning agent helps break down the coatings and form a flux. With the flux ready, I'll take a cotton swab and dip it into the flux. I'll apply this mixture to the weld joint and the metal washer on the block of wood. This creates our specialized weld surface. I'll touch the tip of the hot soldering iron directly to the flux. Watch closely. The mixture immediately reacts with a high temperature, creating a strong spot weld. This amazing homemade device, made from simple tools and recycled materials, proves that with a little creativity and ingenuity, you can achieve truly amazing things. Look at the strong solder made from a broken soldering iron and flux from a battery. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.